anti-siphon devices. Yes, this is critical in order to avoid that the water return into the toilet, or that when you flush the system, the water spin in the toilet and never is pumped out. This is an indication that your system is improperly installed, because you never take in consideration the reference of the water line. The reference of the water line is the most important part in this type of installation. Okay, we are going to analyze the different type of sanitation systems commonly used in marine application. And we have three types: type 1, type 2, and type 3. We are going to check easily what is the meaning of each one. Type 1 reduce bacteria and discharge those elements in a non-visible solids on the water. It's a simple way with a small treatment system. I have an equipment, the electro scan, commonly used in this type of sanitation system in type 1.
Okay guys, now it's clear that we have three types of sanitation systems. Type 1 with a little treatment procedure. Type 2, a little more sophisticated, and ultra sophisticated is the type 3 in mega yachts, in cruise boats. All of those three systems, they use the same basic components that we are going to analyze. The first element is the toilet. We have three types of toilets. We have this one, electrical, with electrical control and with electrical macerator pump. We have the manual, that one. The manual is completely manual, like the name says, and is operated with a vacuum pump, and the vacuum pump is working with your hand. This is a vacuum pump. This is completely manual, and this is electrical. And there are other ones, fully electronic. The last one that we have on the screen right now is fully electronic. Remember, here we have salt water and solids. This element, the electroscan, have the ability to convert the salt water and the solids in a perfect bactericide. That's wonderful. This element converts the salt water and the solids in a perfect fungicide. And in the output, you have water and salt. That's magic, the electroscan. This is type 1. There are other ones more sophisticated, type 2, like this one, or type 3, like this one on the screen.
Okay, now we are going to explain the flow of the black water, and we are going to explain the function of the Y valve. Okay, the black water is coming from the black tank, and here is the valve. Depending on the position of the valve, in this particular case, the position should be like this, as you see on the mark. The black water enter over there, and the black water continue enter in the pump, and the pump pumped the black water into the Y valve. And depending on the position, if this arrow is pointed over there, send into the treatment tank. And the treatment tank have the three stations. You remember, aeration, compression, and deaeration.
Internally have a flow switch. The flow switch, in order to allow the input of solids and indicate on the console if the tank is full, in order to evacuate the tank. Normally, the flow switch is connected with the raw water pump. When the tank is full, the tank automatically activate the macerator pump and pump it out the solids. All right, we have the flow switch, we have the macerator pump, we have the sensor to connect the screen on top, and this is the fill or discharge. This is the hose that is connected outside in order to pump it out the solids. Let me explain something about the procedure to pump it out the solids in the macerator tank. This is exactly the equipment. The equipment is working with a gas pump. It's a gas pump, and this is the hose connected into the duct. Perfect, that's the duct. And now we are going to check again the pump. It's a diaphragm pump. and diaphragm pump suction the black water from the tank of the duct, and the black water enter in the tank, in the storage tank, and is stored in order to be disposal in other place. Those type of lines, they are type 1, and those are the authorized pipes and hoses used for sanitation system. Because this is a training board, I connect provisionally, but in general, those elements should be connected with double clamps, cross double clamps, ABYC question. Don't forget, this is important, this is critical. Double hose clamps, cross clamps. All right. With the holding tank, you can discharge the black water into the container of the marina, if you have the option in the marina of a disposal of black waters, or you can pump it directly with the macerator pump outboard.